Hello, good morning, dear Cancerians. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading from 20th of June till 30th of June. So keep in mind, as these are journal love readings, this might or might not resonate with you, okay? And the roles can be reversed anytime, okay? Roles can be reversed anytime in the reading, okay? So let's start your reading. Let's start. Your partner's current energy, Cancerians, right now is. Let's see, your partner's current energy right now is. Cancerians. Five of Pentacles. I feel like your partner is either walking away from you or you are walking away from them. Okay. And I feel like this person is feeling deeply, deeply saddened, deeply, deeply disheartened, and this person is deeply hurt. I feel like this person is feeling like you left them in the cold, you left them hanging on the wall, you left them in between without giving any kind of solid reason. And this person is completely heartbroken and completely, freeze. This person is feeling like, what the hell, what the hell happened, what the hell just happened in this connection? I was not expecting this to happen. This is the situation that they are dealing with right now. Let's clarify further. Oh, Five of Pentacles again, and the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel like this person is right now this person is walking away from you, walking away from this connection because they want to have a new brand new beginning, might be with somebody new. I feel like this person is right now seeking a brand new beginning in love as well, and in money as well, and in finances as well. So I feel like this person is completely shattered, although, but this person is walking away for the good because they are starting their life all over again from scratch, and they are seeking for new love, and might be new love, or might be they are having love emotions for you, new love emotions for you. I will check it out further in the reading. And I feel like this person is ready to start a new business, ready to start a new job or something like that. So I feel like this person is completely shattered, and that's why they are moving towards a beautiful future. This is weird, but this is the truth. Okay, this is their current energy. At least they're trying energetically to do this thing. Let's see what's your current energy, Cancerians. Your current energy, Cancerians. Let's see. Ten of Pentacles. Wow, you are. I feel like you are enjoying in your family. Might be you're enjoying with your family right now, or you are just busy making money. You are doing good in your business. You are doing good in your finances, and you are getting some kind of rewards and recognition. Might be you are getting some kind of parental property as well for some of you. But let's clarify further. But this is a card of happiness and stability. Let's see. Moon, Hanged Man, and the Star. I feel like you are happy. Okay, at least you are very, very hopeful and positive that everything is going to be fine in your life, and you are feeling emotionally stable right now. At least energetically, you are trying to be emotionally stable right now because deep down you have lots of fears involved in this connection. You are having lots of fears regarding this particular connection in your life because you are feeling like this person or this connection is never going to be the same again. You are stuck on this person somewhere deep down. You are stuck on this person. You still feel lots of emotions for this particular person, but you are trying to change your perspective. You are trying to change your point of view according to this person, and you are trying to feel what the other person is feeling. This is a good energy. Could be dealing with an Aquarius or earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so yeah, I feel like you are very, very hopeful about the future. You are very positive about the future, that everything is going to be fine. And I feel like right now you are doing great in your life. Financially, I feel like you are doing great in your life. This is your current energy. Cancerians. Let's see. Let's see what this person feels for you. Cancerians. Your partner's feelings for you. Cancerians. Let's see your partner's feelings for you. Oops. Your partner's feelings for you. Four of Wands. I feel like this person still wants to have a committed long-term relationship with you. Okay. Yes. Now I feel like this person, although this person is feeling like they, you left them out in the cold. I feel like still this person carries lots of emotions for you, lots of stable emotions for you. They want to have a stable connection with you. They want to have a committed long-term relationship with you. These are their feelings for you. Still feeling like you are the one for them. Okay. still feeling like that you are the one for them. Wow. Let's clarify. Four of Cups, King of Cups, and Nine of Cups. Okay, I feel like this person is still, although they are very very conflicted about you in their mind, although they are feeling like I don't know how Cancerian is going to react to this situation. They are carrying lots of emotions for you. They are carrying lots of love for you, and they feel like you are their wish fulfillment. You are the only person that made them really very very happy, and that's why they feel like you are the one for them. You are the one for me. Cancerium, beautiful. Nice. This is the energy. Okay. So let's see what this person wants from you, Cancerians. What this person wants from you. Let's see. Communication. I feel like this person wants to have back and forth communication with you, lots of communication with you. This person wants to clear the air with you. I feel like there's some kind of conflict between you guys. I can sense that. And this person wants an open and honest conversation to, to dilute this situation, to, clear out the situation, and, to, enhance the relationship in some way. So I feel like to enhance the quality of this relationship, I feel like this person wants to have open and honest and clear communication from heart, by heart to heart. Okay, sweetheart. This is the situation. Let's clarify further. Four of Pentacles, King of Wands, the Tower. Okay, I feel like this person is having some kind of realization that they still have lots of passion for you. This is also Wands energy. So, and this is Four of Wands energy was there in their feelings. Eight of Wands energy is here in their what they want from you. So I feel like this person wants to come out of this controlling situation, to stop being a control freak and realize that open and honest conversation is necessary for every connection. And they want you to realize that yes, still there is hope in this connection, still there is lots of passion and love in this connection. And that's why this person wants to have open and honest conversation with you. No lies, no hidden truth, no hidden agendas, but total and naked truth. This is what they want from you. This is the situation here. Okay, so keep in mind the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, so it might be you who want this from them. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June, Cancerians. Let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June. Let's see. Hooray! Three of Wands. Okay, waiting on you, waiting on you. So I feel like this person, Cancerian, is waiting on you specifically. So this person feels like they should wait for you rather than coming toward you, because I feel like this person is still confused whether you are going to talk to them again or not, whether you are still interested in them or not. But for them, you are the only one for them. And I feel like this person is right now turning their back towards you because they are waiting on you very very eagerly, and they are feeling like I have done everything that I could. Now I can just wait. Now I don't have any kind of option rather than waiting. Yeah. So the Three of Wands is clarified by the Strength, the Four of Wands, the Queen of Swords, the Strength card. You could be dealing with the Leo. I feel like this person is holding back right now. This person is trying to be as much mature and as much practical as possible, and still they are holding this situation. This is the Four of Wands. They want this relationship to be organized. They want this relationship to be stable, and they are completely honest and open about what they are feeling. They are not going to hide anything. I feel like this, they are going to by some means you are going to get you are going to get the truth out of them. Okay, still I feel like they although they are being very open and honest to you, I feel like somewhere they are going to might be trying to hide their situation, trying to hide their emotions. I feel like this person don't want to overwhelm you with their emotions and with their situation right now. This is the thing. So that's why I feel like this person is waiting on you, and they are waiting for the right time to for you to go towards them and talk to them openly and honestly. This is the situation here, Cancerians. So Cancerians, it's all about your love life till the 30th of June. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight and you will be able to make some kind of decision. Obviously it's your free will what you want to do, but yeah, I feel like this will give you some kind of hint. So thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste. God bless you.